Thousands of miles separate us from this. But distance doesn't mean we can't help. This Ford Ranger has spent its working life here with us at VAC-EX, but now it's being given a new purpose.
Ukrainians, like anybody else, normal people, need some help. They're suffering from a lot of repression, obviously with the current conflict in the country, and just to help normal people is an amazing experience and amazing opportunity. So we intend on taking the Ranger to Lviv, which is on the western side of Ukraine. Eventually it will head further east. The plan is to use it for humanitarian aid deliveries, so things like baby nappies, bottled milk, vegetables, that kind of stuff, taking that out east, and then evacuating casualties from the east back into the west of the country. But I think the fact that we're able to donate a vehicle which will eventually, I'd like to think, save somebody's life, or at least provide support to help people keep alive and live a relatively normal life, I think that donation has a massive impact on the local communities in Ukraine. I think we live in our little Western bubble, and there is so much trouble, not just in Ukraine, but so much trouble in the world. And I wish, if people read this, that everybody stops, take a pause, and just hopes for world peace.